Hello, this is Saifuddin. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can remove the background from the critical images. You might have different images which is currently here, or which background is very critical to remove. Then if you are having this problem, then you can watch my video. Okay. So in this video, I actually downloaded a picture from online, which is this one. Okay, I'm just selecting this picture. I will remove this picture background. Okay, so first of all, I need to select the background. Okay, so this background is really critical. Okay, so here's a multiple tools you can use to select the background. Here's a lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic tool, or also there is more other tools, which is quick selection tool and magic wand tool. So these are the selection tools which you can use to select your background. Okay, select this image background. Okay, so I'm just simply selecting this magic wand tool, which actually help us to select the background. Okay, so simply just click over here. You notice that it already selected some area, but here's a huge amount of errors we need to remove. Just clicking over here and simply remove the error. Okay, it's not removing, you notice, because it's not catching up that the black option from the tiles, it's actually remember that it's not actually removable. We don't want to remove that part actually, so it cannot removing that option. So we have other tools as well as to remove that part. Okay, I'm just trying to remove as much as possible using these polygonal tools, magic wand tools. Okay, so I'm just now selecting the quick selection tools, so to remove these errors. Okay, yes, so I think we already removed all the errors from this picture. Okay, so now what we can do, so this we selected actually the we actually selected the background. Okay, so we need to simply reverse our selected part. Okay, just simply go to the select and make it inverse. Okay, so it actually in inverse. So another thing, now you should go to the select and click over here refine edge. So if you have a different version, then you might find it in below or above, you might find it, but it option is available every single version of Photoshop. So I'm just making this refine edge. So here's you notice that background is already removed, but it's not actually removed. So we are making the radius 3, and we want the smoothness 3, or we want the feather 0.8, something like that. You can write anything here. Okay, so contrast we want it 1. Okay, so here see you can select a new layer. It means you are making this picture in new layer, so your raw file won't affect anywhere. So you can, I'm just making the new layer with layer mask. Okay, you can select any of them. Okay, so before clicking over here, okay, we need to make it more sharp, and we need to check out that some here is removed from our from this head. So we need to actually catch up those here as well. So just so we are just restoring the here by clicking over here. Okay, just click over here. If you take time to do this stuff, then I believe you will get very good result. Okay, so try as much as possible to make the okay. So I'm just clicking more and more to make it more sharp, and to restore the hair which actually cut down from my picture. Okay, So here notice that we are actually restoring the here. Okay, so just simply click and guess what actually can have the here, and click over here. Okay, so you can click more and more to restore the hairs which actually removed from our picture. Okay, so okay, I think that's all. You can do more and more to make it more visible, make the hair more visible. I'm just made it, so you can just click OK. Then you notice that this background has already removed from here. Okay, so this is really an easy process to remove a background. So you might have different types of images. You can just simply follow this same step which I teach you right now. Then you will be able to any of images, you will be able to remove any types of images, any types of critical images you will be able to remove. So now if we want to add a background, we can just simply do that as well. Okay, so this background we actually do, because it depends on actually the layer, because this layer is first, then this is the second. Okay, so you notice that we actually successfully remove the background. So you can follow these steps to remove any kinds of images background. Okay, so I hope you understand. So if you have any problem, then just comment down below. I will answer your questions, and if you need more assistance, then comment details in the video description. So thanks for watching this video.